Good morning guys, in front of me is Zenfone 10 and let me show you how to apply nightlight. First open the settings, then find and select display and click on nightlight over here. So once you want to activate it, just use the indicator and it is automatically on. Then you can turn it off the same way, so it is off right after you click. But you can also personalize your nightlight. To do it, just tap on the left side of the button. And now you can smoothly schedule your nightlight either at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So if you want to customize the time, select turns on at custom time and then pick start and end time. Once it is active, this panel also allows you to change the intensity of the colors. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.